Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is what is the most desirable trait another person can possess? What is the most desirable trait another person can possess? The traits, desirable traits. Everybody has uh, some trait. Everybody has something unique about them, and there are certain traits which makes our life easier, others life easier, and makes us all human. And if it comes to point out that, in my opinion, what is that trait, for me that trait is empathy. Yes, you heard it right, empathy. If you have this trait, then it also leads to multiple other traits in a human as well. If you are able to feel the pain of others, if you are able to feel it, then I think that that's the most desirable trait that makes us all human. Why I'm saying that, why I'm emphasizing on this trait is as well. See, the world is not fair to everyone. There are people who are not as grateful as you, right? If you think about, there are certain things you can't choose: where you are born, which family you are born. These are just happens randomly to us. I prefer it randomness, not the act of God or something like that. But these things happen to, and there is a no fault, or and there is nothing you can claim you have done something to be born in that family. In my opinion, it's not true. So when you don't have that, you you have empathy towards the other set of people. You start to become humble. You start to realize uh, that how grateful you are, or whenever you are in pain, you start to think about others as well. So that is why I'm saying, for me the most desirable trait is empathy, because it makes us human. It makes us, when you look around, there are a lot of people who are not as fortunate as you. There are a lot of people who are not showing any empathy towards uh, these people as well. So, and and in my opinion, if you have all the wealth or have something, if you're not able to give it back to the humanity, then what you are doing? What is the purpose of your life? So that is why I keep forcing on that empathy is the best trait for me, for a human, because it makes us all human, and aren't we all human? Thank you. Over to you.